Supporters of legendary Australian soldier Harry Breaker Morant have had a win in their quest to have a war crimes charge against him overturned. Lieutenants Morant and Peter Hancock were tried and executed over a century ago for killing prisoners during the Boer War. However, a moot appeal in the Victorian Supreme Court has found the men's initial trial was unfair.
I'll tell you what rule we applied, sir. We applied Rule 303. We caught them and we shot them under Rule 303.
From the set of the courtroom in the 1980 film Breaker Morant to Courtroom 1 in the Supreme Court, the story of Breaker Morant and Peter Hancock has always attracted attention, and 111 years on, it's still raising questions.
They were scapegoated for the illegal orders of the military commander, Lord Kitchener. They were made to take the responsibility of what many other people were doing, British troops in particular, in taking no prisoners.
The Australians were executed after being found guilty of shooting Boer prisoners in South Africa. The lawyer for former terror suspect David Hicks says he learned of the story when he was working with the US military.
It's evident they didn't get a fair trial. They didn't get an appeal. Their lawyer showed up the day before the court process. I mean, these are fundamental flaws.
Denial of natural justice, denial of procedural fairness. Morant was railroaded. He was probably as guilty as hell. But the Brits decided he should not have a fair trial.
Today's moot appeal isn't legally binding, but its result has reinvigorated the case to have the verdict re-examined.
So far, the British haven't been impressed, and they've stonewalled me at every opportunity. So I'm taking the matter to the High Court in London on appeal.
Jim Uncles is seeking official pardons for the men, but even if justice is now served, it can't change the past.
Shoot straight, you bastards! Don't make a mess of it!
Jackie Peake, ABC News, Melbourne.